Hi, this is Mr. Smith, and this is the fourth day of government in the third week, and this is wrapping up units 1 and 2. Make sure you complete part 1 of the test and part 2 of the test, which is the essays, and then complete or redo any of the assignments from units 1 or 2, and make sure you complete the test reflection. And looking at that, here we can see at the top module, the government 1 and 2 test, the essay section, and then the test reflection down here. But let's look at the test first. And that includes 13 true and false, 2 sections of 6 matching for 12 altogether, and 30 multiple choice. So you click on Take the Quiz and Begin, and that will start the timer. Please make sure that you set aside an hour or so to make sure you complete this test. And then one question will show up at a time. And click Next, and that will take you to the next one. Do not click Submit until you are done with the test. The last message that will pop up will say the instructor will add the essay score, and that is where I will put in the points from the other part of the test. So you can just click Submit when you get to that. Then the essay section, you'll just click to start that, and it would be 10 points for the short essay, 35 points for the long one. For the short essay, in one sentence, address the prompt and support with 3 points. This is just a sample question. What was the American Civil War? And so a sample answer that I would put down here in this text box for the short essay would be: the American Civil War was a conflict that stopped the Confederacy, reunited the country, and helped stop slavery. I highlighted these 3 different sections to show you the 3 different points I was making. You do not need to highlight any parts of it. Then after you type that, you'll then copy and paste your answer for the short essay down here in the long essay text box. So you use the same sentence twice. Then you'll add a paragraph that explains your first point with 3 to 5 sentences. You'll add a second paragraph that describes your second point with 3 to 5 sentences, and add a third paragraph that explains your third point in 3 to 5 sentences. So you can see here I have the first point with 3 to 5 sentences illustrated, the second point, which is just this right here, illustrated here with these 3 sentences, and then the last point, help stop slavery, is illustrated by these 3 sentences. And so then you have a nice neat paragraph with the main idea here and 3 supporting points spelled out down below. And you'll put all this into the long essay. Everybody will get a different type of prompt. This is just one of them for the essays. And then last but not least, the test reflection. You click Submit Assignment, and a text box will open up down below where you can address the prompt. After completing both parts of the test, answer the following questions with 3 to 5 sentences altogether. The assignment will count as a test grade. From units 1 and 2, what material did you learn the best? What did you learn least? And what helped you the most for the test? And you click Submit once you are done. And make sure you do that by Tuesday. Remember that you can also take this part of the test, the Government 1 and 2 test, the first part that involves true and false, matching, multiple choice. You can take that twice, just like the quizzes. And then on Tuesday, will begin Unit 3, which covers the executive branch. And that will be moved up here to the top, and this one will be moved 1 down.